Cebu to Canada. Where'd the sun go? Canada. Land of, well, it's mostly cold. Coming from Cebu, I thought I knew heat. Canada said, hold my maple syrup. Stepping off the plane was like walking into a freezer. A very, very big freezer. People told me about layers. I thought they meant cake. Turns out it's clothes. Lots of clothes. I looked like a marshmallow on a ski trip and still felt cold. I missed the Cebu sun, that warm, friendly sun. Here the sun's like a distant relative. Shows up for holidays, then disappears. Maybe it moved south for the winter. I get it, son. I get it. Then there's the snow. Everyone back home told me about snow. It's magical, they said. Like nature's confetti. They lied. First of all, who throws confetti that's freezing cold and wet? It's like someone emptied a giant bag of ice shavings on the world. And don't get me started on shoveling. My back still cracks thinking about it. But hey, at least it's good for snowball fights, right? Wrong. Tried that once. Ended up with a frozen hand and a lecture about packing snow tightly. Apparently, there are rules. Speaking of rules, can we talk about bathrooms? Or are they washrooms here? Restrooms? I never know what to call them. It's like a guessing game every time I need to, go. And the toilets? Why are they so high up? I feel like a little kid again, feet dangling off the ground. It's not exactly relaxing. Then there's the whole tipping thing. In Cebu, you tip if you're feeling generous. Here, it's practically mandatory. I'm pretty sure I tipped someone just for handing me a menu the other day. And don't even get me started on taxes. You see a price tag, you think that's it. Nope, they add on this invisible tax at the end. It's like a magic trick. But instead of a rabbit, you get less money. Oh, and the time difference. Trying to call back home is like playing time zone roulette. By the time I figure out what time it is there, it's too late to call. Canada's a trip, that's for sure. Literally and figuratively. I'm still adjusting to the cold, the snow, and the fact that I need a calculator to figure out the actual price of anything. But hey, at least the people are nice. And the maple syrup is pretty great too.